We all know about the tallest building in this world, that is Burj Khalifa. But have you ever wondered that how much efforts were taken so as to construct this magnificent building?
Don't worry, I will tell you that. It had almost taken 5 to 6 years to construct this building, and its project was started in 2004, and this building was completed in 2009. And you should know that every building has an architectural style. So the architectural style of Burj Khalifa is neo futurism. And the most interesting thing about it is that these people which you can see here are those architects who have designed this marvelous skyscraper. These people are Adrian Smith in the left, George J. Efthau at the center, and Marshall Strabala in the right. So, after knowing the details about Burj Khalifa, we get to know that not only Burj Khalifa but all the beautiful buildings and monuments around the world are present today because of one thing, that is architecture.
A very warm welcome to all of you present here. I, Anshuman Pandey, would be acquainting you with this distinguished and exquisite profession of architecture. Before exploring briefly about architecture, you should know about architecture first.
Architecture is defined as the art or practice of designing and constructing buildings. Now, you all must be thinking about the skills required for architecture. So, the skills required for this career are design skills and knowledge of building and construction, to be thorough and pay attention to detail, thinking and reasoning skills, customer service skills, excellent verbal communication skills, analytical thinking skills, the ability to use your initiative and to be able to use a computer and the main software packages confidently. Now, let us discuss about the eligibility criteria.
All the class 12th qualified candidates from science stream and a recognized board with a minimum overall aggregate of 50% are eligible for architectural courses.
Now we come to the age limit. So there is no maximum age limit in architectural courses, but there is a minimum age of 17 years for every candidate. Now we talk about the exam pattern for BR course. This exam is divided into 3 parts. The first part is of mathematics, which consists of objective type, means MCQ based questions, and the answers for these questions are numerical values. The second part consists of aptitude test, which is also of objective type, means MCQ type, and the mode of giving these part 1 and part 2 test is the computer based test, means CBT mode only. The third part consists of a drawing test, which consists of questions so as to test the drawing aptitude of the candidate, and the mode of this test is pen and paper based, means offline mode, which is to be attempted on drawing sheets.
Now we discuss about the scope and salaries in the field of architecture. You can become an architect, interior and spatial designer, historic buildings inspector, production designer, and the salaries of each of these professions are given here. Some more professions are here like architectural technologist, building surveyor, town planner, and structural engineer. And the salaries of each of these professions are also given here. Now we talk about the famous colleges for architectural courses in India.
The first one is SPA Delhi. SPA means School of Planning and Architecture, and it was established on 1941, and it is one of the best architecture colleges in India. The next one is Birla Institute of Technology, also known as BIT, which was established in the year 1955, and it is located at Masra, Ranchi. After discussing the famous colleges of architecture in India, now we will discuss about the famous personalities in the field of architecture. At first, we talk about Brinda Somya. Brinda Somya was born on 28 June in 1949 to K.M. Chinnappa and Ganavati Chinnappa. She had studied architecture through famous colleges in India as well as in abroad. She had designed great buildings, and one of them is IIT Bombay. Then we talk about Rajiv Saini. Rajiv Saini is a Mumbai-based self-taught architect. He had designed magnificent buildings which are located in India as well as in abroad. The next one is Balakrishna Vithaldas Doshi, or we can say B.V. Doshi. He had faced many difficulties in his life, as once he was caught in a fire accident, but still among all these difficulties he had constructed great buildings. At last, we talk about the famous monuments and buildings around the world. Now we talk about the Archopolis of Athens. It is an ancient citadel located on a rocky outcrop above the city of Athens and contains the remains of several ancient buildings of great architectural and historic significance. The most famous being the Parthenon, and its area is 3.04 hectares. The marble utilized to construct the buildings of the Archopolis was sourced from the quarries of Mount Pentelicus, a mountain to the northeast of the city. We will also talk about Jantar Mantar, which is located in the modern city of New Delhi. Jantar Mantar literally means instruments for measuring the harmony of heavens. It consists of 13 architectural astronomy instruments. The site is one of the 5 built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur from 1723 onwards, revising the calendar and astronomical tables. So, this was all about the career in architecture, the famous personalities in this field, and about the famous monuments and buildings around the world. Thank you.